Check this bunch here. Looks like early signs of blight.
Noted. We'll need to schedule treatment for this row.
Ready, heave. Pulling my side. Set it right here, neatly. Okay, let's add the greens to the barrel.
There we go. This will make great compost.
It's getting hot.
pH is stable, the growth curve is looking good.
Agreed. Let's increase the aeration rate slightly.
On it. Alert on the pressure readings.
Confirmed, it's within parameters.
Good. Monitor the trend. Will do. The arm's precision is spot on. Good. And the pressure vessel? Stable at 150 psi. All logged. We're clear. Pressure reading looks off here. Agreed. Let's check the logs. See? It's spiking intermittently. Okay, let's flag it. Status on line A? Holding steady at 98%. Good. Monitor for fluctuations. Will do. Alert on the primary grid. See the spike?
Yes, it's rising fast.
Rerouting power from sector B. Confirmed. Level stabilizing.
Good. Monitoring. This section has a slight irregularities.
Noted, I'll flag it for review. Check the warp tension there.
Looks good. As you can see, output spiked here. That's a 15% increase.
What about the error rate?
It dropped below 1%.
Alert on line 4. Throughput is dropping. I see it. Rerouting units now. Confirmed. Backup lines are clear. All systems green. Let's build it safe! Team who makes it happen!
Okay, start the calibration sequence now. Monitor the servo response.
Sequence initiated. Everything looks stable.
All right, that one's tight. All right, that one's tight. Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the left side.
Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance. Looks good from here.
Right now?
Ready to bolt.
Check the pressure readings. Calibrating now. Flow is stable. Looks good. Initiate the sequence. Sequence initiated.
This section needs optimization. See how the wireframes overlap.
Yes, I see it. Let's adjust the parameters for the material flow in this quadrant.
Moving this load to Bay 12. Clearing the path ahead. Stack secured, next pallet ready.
Scan complete. Next one.
Okay, scanning this pallet now. Looks like we're short one box. I'll flag it for the team. All right, moving this one in now. Clear on the left. Set, bring it forward. Lowering now. Next one ready.